Ka Honda motorcycle and scooter India mendaksi sajan ke arpu trik jeliu arjar arpusau ka yok ban Plie ba ye ke showroom bat workshop ban Nyngkong Nongbah Shillong ke belah tip ka shadap Honda ke badan Mawblei madan reteng. Hakne ke jing Plie ya ke showroom lawan dan rengkat do Yogesh Mathur director ke sell and marketing Honda motorcycle and scooter India u Ashish Chowdhury opening head sell uba bhakupar shadap utrai kene ke showroom ki bahayeng ki nongtre bat kui de ki bala syakot sengubha ka shadap Honda Meghalaya kan penbiang ki scooter bat motorcycle na ka company MHSI ki ba kentup ya ka scooter model kum ka Activa bat ka Dio ka ba shispa cc bat shispa arpusan cc bat ki motorcycle ki bran hadu khandai model ki ba shispa cc kum ka Shine ka Dream Deluxe bat ka Livo Unicorn shispa cc bat ki Hornet 2.0 bat ka CB 200X ka ba arspa cc bat ki de habakran hagane ke sngi Yogesh Mathur director ka MHSI ulapan pau ya ka jingkemen ban yok ban Plie ka showroom jo ka Honda Meghalaya ka ban long ka sinjam ban 1 point ka company Honda haga jela jo ki than chatai lamingi ka ne ka showroom kan longru ka lat kalenti nakabenta ka company Honda man ai ka jing sakri ba pura chiki nong song snong ka jela Meghalaya.
Dealership of Honda motor vehicle and scooter India. First and foremost, I would like to appreciate my father for his effortless perseverance coupled with his strong determination to make this dream a success. And yes, to you too, Mom, for supporting him in order to make this dream a success. Honor to have in our midst the Director of Sales and Marketing, Mr. Yogesh Mathur. Welcome, sir. The Operating Head of Sales, Mr. Ashish Chowdhury. Welcome.
Thank you. Very happy to be here.
Welcome. The General Manager.
Kami ban kiu nunggu ke pos te ni haban pedru ya ke model company hidup itu ibaro Honda one of the number one company in India two-wheelers kat kami siam juga te nasiam ki produk jong kiru kilong ngam kon dem ki weru ki manga di ya kata kilong laga jong internet laga jong bah laga jong ka size jong ka skuti kan ka baik sama ngepek pada ada mengelak simi kan ini siam baru ngitip Honda India Korea company was di bahai itu das berkibri di ham jet bahai kam tam langi pe jaga bahasa South Indian ru iskawa shit kat no ru kim dion kata over it ken kata kiyai te ngi hasilong ru isangi lah kuala islami kan ya te aden ber company ka kamlah man ai mar wagi bun ki jing check ka ki be de bat ka mar khamong sutui ke number one company kham pe che arang islam man rai ka te awi ngandum la man ong bat kon dem mi be mo ngan ki de ko mar ba ri jong ngai bro ko ba tanga ngai ba andaru di one of the best ngak pat because mar bro ki se ba ban ya pe le mi ni production anga tak wish ko
our first dealership of Meghalaya Shadap Honda. So congratulations to Shadap. Meghalaya is a very important state for us, and especially in the northeast, we are expanding our footprint, and with our current lineup of the product, we are very much sure that we will be definitely exciting all the customers here. And this is first dealership in Meghalaya and 25th dealership in the northeast of India. So we are starting this journey, and Mr. Sharap is a local person here, and he's a very known businessman, and he has got a lot of good customer base available here in his previous businesses, and we are sure that all the customers of Honda will definitely get a lot of good experience both in sales as well as in the service here, because he is a person who is always keen to provide best of the services to the customers. So along with the quality of the product, the best of the services can also be derived from the Shadab Honda. So we congratulate him and wish him the wonderful journey ahead. Thank you so much. Dealership, we did not had any previous assignment here. Maybe during previous company of Hero Honda, at that time probably you must have seen it. But as a Honda, this is the first dealership which we have inaugurated today. Northeast is very different market than rest of the Indian market, and the customer like here very attractive kind of a product. And in the current lineup of our all product range, we have enough of the range available which can really excite all the customers here in Shillong and entire Meghalaya. And our expectations is very huge, and certain part of Northeast we are already enjoying almost 50% of the market share. So we are looking forward to have the similar kind of feat here in Meghalaya as well once we are starting today. I said that you're right. People prefer such kind of a good power and pickup vehicle here along with good style. So our lineup is having almost all the range available of our product, and we are sure that once the customer take a ride of these bikes, they will be very much happy in terms of the performance of the vehicle, and we are sure that they will definitely start loving Honda brand. Currently is a very challenging market because as I said, we have only, this is the 25th dealership in Northeast. So geography and topography of this entire state and the country is very different and difficult for us to expand right now. But wherever we have expanded, we have got very good response across all the northeastern state. And this year, we have already increased our market share by around 5% within first 2 months itself. So once the supplies are increased from our side, the acceptability of the product is getting very good, and we are expecting that within this year, we will become number one in the entire Northeast. Because wherever we have launched, we have got very good response. Like I said, Manipur, almost having 50%, 44%, 55% market share we already enjoy. So in hill stations, what is more important is in terms of the pickup, the initial pickup and the power of the vehicle, and which is best in the class in the entire range of the product. So we have got 100cc till 1800cc of the product. Currently, Shadab Honda will be delivering till 200cc, from 100cc to 200cc. And this entire portfolio has got very attractive features, which is best in the overall class, along with the best in the mileage also. So not only feature, with the performance, the mileage also plays a big role here because the fuel prices are going to the roof. And within that particular thing, if the mileage is good, performance is good, style is good, I think everything we'll talk about from the test ride which customers will take.
How about the cost? What about the cost? Starting cost of the
Starting cost? So we have got starting cost. Lowest portfolio which we have is for Shine 100, which starts close to around 66,000 some rupees.
Yes.
Exact we will let you know. So this is the starting for motorcycle, and for scooters the starting range is for Dio 110, which will be close to around 70,000 rupees. The exact prices we will be telling it. The on-road prices which will be more important for you to consider and publish it.